Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram comment section positive and free from unwanted messages, the new advanced comment filtering feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable advanced comment filtering on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and log into your account. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and settings. Next, look to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to expand the menu and reveal additional options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you can control your privacy, notifications, and more. Within the settings menu, scroll until you find the section called Hidden Words. Click to enter this section. The Hidden Words feature is designed to help you manage what appears in your comments and message requests, keeping your experience safe and enjoyable. Now, look for the option labeled Advanced Comment Filtering. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click to turn it on. Once enabled, Instagram will automatically filter out comments that may contain offensive language, spam, or any other unwanted phrases. This helps you maintain a respectful and engaging environment for yourself and your followers. If you want even more control, you can also add custom keywords or phrases to block. Just enter the words you want to filter, separated by commas, and submit your changes. Instagram will then hide any comments containing those specific words, giving you even greater peace of mind. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled advanced comment filtering on Instagram for PC. This feature is a powerful tool to help you foster a more positive, welcoming space on your profile. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, safer comment section on all your posts.